Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the font style in this device. So in this device you can see this is the font style, default font style. So let me show you how to change this font style in this device. For this, open the default application theme store. Open this one. Then on the top you can see one tab named fonts. Tap on this one. So here you can see lots of free font style and paid font style you can see here. So here you will get all the paid font style you can see here. So in case if you want to set a free font style, then go on the top and here you can see the option free. Tap on this one. So you will get lots of free font style from here. And from here you can easily select your favorite font style and you can easily apply this font style to device. You can see lots of font style are here. So here I am going to select the font style, this one. Tap on this one. So here you can see a small demo how this font style looks on your device. Tap on apply. This applying, yeah, applied successfully. Now let me show you how it works. Go to settings. You can see the font style is changed. It's very nice, right? You can see. Nice. So simply in this way you can change the font style in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.